ang mga commentaries din dito sa reverting to what's this? Reducing the age of criminal social responsibility is also deceiving. Bakit deceiving? Kasi yung mga detractors nito sinasabi na kulong ang mga anak. Kawawa, bata pa yan. Imimix sa mga hardened and ordinary criminals in the street. Mga alarmist na tinatawag natin, which is not true. Hindi natin, we will not discredit Republic Act number 9344, which was authored by Senator Pangilinan. Dahil itong 9344 is still existing. It was simply amended.